Okay, guys, how are you guys doing today? So, let's get started. It's a tricky day today because there's no news. We have one of the news, which is basically crude oil, but nothing major which can affect the market. It's a basic yellow folder news which doesn't have much impact, basically. And other than that, what do we have on the charts? So, I did check the charts before I came online. So what is happening over here? So basically we are in a tiny range right now, and in just a moment, it's not this one. We need to turn this on sessions. So basically we are in a very tiny range right now, and we have already created a double top, I would say. No, not a double top actually. Uh, kind of, because we have to sweep this highs over here. These are one of the highs s- that we will be looking to get swept. Other than that, Asian lows have already been swept, and the Asian high is also swept over here at the London session. So the only area which is left are the London lows. Okay, it's over here. Just quickly check if it's working. Yep, it is working. Asian high is also swept over here in session. So the only area which is okay. So yeah, right now we are in the pre-market. There's nothing major going on over here. Along with that, so we are in a tiny range right now, as we can see over here. Therefore, we will be looking for like 1 hour areas, such as the slow that I've marked over here. This is one of the good areas that can give a liquidity sweep. But if the market decides to be a falling knife, then we have to wait for much better setups over here. Um, uh, right now, when I saw the 4 hour or maybe in the 1 hour as well, you can see that this lows are kind of protected over here. This lows are being protected over here, and from this lows there's a good reaction. So basically this was swept, and after that they might have created IFVG over here. Yeah, so this is one of really good setups, like aligning multi-time frame, higher time frames especially. So this gives a really good advantage. uh let's see in let's see over here. I have my rectangle tool, so this is really good IFVG over here. It was a straight up reaction. I don't this big IFVGs because that's not my plan, and also this kind of IFVGs need more time to play out, and it might happen that it won't play out uh, on an intraday basis, like on Apex, your trades are going to end by 4 or 5 in the evening, so you need to enter those trades which are just for that particular time frame, just for that particular day, and just move ahead with another trade. So basically, we will be trading IFEGs which are smaller in points, which are which are giving us a good risk reward ratio as well. Nothing major over here. It's just a weight game right now. Also on the ES, there's nothing major going on. I think let's wait for the London 1030 to open. I think this that will give us a good bias to the markets. Yeah, I think it's working good. This is basically the 5 minute. Let's see what's going on over here. Just fair value gap gave a reaction over here. Just a tiny tap. Not something major that I would look for. So the London session was also like not that good, I would say. It was okayish. Asian as always, it's like Malaysian. Okay, 1020, and the lows have already been swept. Hmm. Also on the ES, we are sweeping the lows over here. These are basically 530 lows of the London session, which is being swept. ES is proving to be a stronger pair over here, sweeping faster. So let's go on 1 minute. Okay. Uh, just to let you know, we haven't opened yet. There's still like 8 minutes left to the open, and we are seeing banger reactions over here. Kind of a continuation play after tapping this IFVT from, I think it was a discount. It was a premium zone, I guess. When you see this particular lag over here, yeah, it's perfect. I think a kind of 50% tap over here, not something major to look for, but it was a good one. Gave a major reaction to the lows. A good drawn liquidity play over here. Let's see what we have. I think this will create some kind of an IFEG. But yesterday we got the same thing. The London lows were swept along with the previous day low and previous week low, which gave us a really good setup in the pre-market session. And today also this is the same story over here. We have this previous month high. Uh, this are the previous monthly highs. I think nothing major. I would have taken a previous monthly low over here. I would have preferred a monthly low over here, but it's anyways a good liquidity sweep area because it's something major to look for. And it seems that they have been swept multiple times over here, so I don't think so they are of much importance over here. But let's see if we can get an IFVG reaction from this. If we do, then we'll do enter a trade over here. Let's see. We need a good tap. Maybe I can enter on a OB instead of, you know, on an IFVG. Let's see how this plays out. Will we create an IFVG over here? A good rejection from this area. I think we have much lows that we can target over here. It's not even 10:30 right now. It would be you know, not sensible to trade right now. Uh, but if we get a good setup, we will definitely. But it seems that we have many lows to be lows that haven't been taken out yet. So I think I will be waiting for those to get swept before entering the position. These are the lows. This one has been swept already. Now we have this 4 hour tap over here. It might tap, it might not, but it's a good buy side imbalance. This one, oops, this is a good area where price can reject, and we can get an IFVG over here as well. BC, do I have a BC template in my? Nope. Save. Okay, let's go on 1 minute. Okay, previous week low. We are creating a week low over here. We are in discount as well. We have created a break of structure. No choke, unfortunately, because we're already choking down the path. Okay. No order block as of now. Let's go on 2 minute. Good rejection, I would say a doji candle. Where do we stand on 5 minutes? Are we in premium or are we in discounts? Let's wait. It's loading up. Kind of on the same area. Still on discount on 15 minutes. On 5 minutes. On 15 minutes. Let's see. Okay, on 15 minutes we are in the premium area and we can go lower because of this lag. Let's see. Kind of a consolidation in this area, not major consolidation though. We still have hopes, but usually when an IFVG gets created, we look for a spontaneous reactions, like creating the IFVG, and instantly on second or third candlestick IFVG, like reversed FVG and create the IFVG. So I think this might work out, this might not. But I personally will be entering on an order block because I see that we have more lows that could be taken out, and it's like 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left on the open. Also, we don't have any bias for today because as we can see, it's not a big of a range right now, and to work with smaller range it becomes a little problematic because price can accumulate and can delay the moves, that delay the actual moves by trapping the retail traders. So let's just wait over here. I think also we have uh open in like 1 minute, so I won't prefer entering any trades right now because of the volatility of the opening session. Although a good rejection, if we create an order block, I think that this is a kind of a breaker block. I would say this is a breaker block. Mm, Good rejection, a good fair value tap. I'll wait for like 2 more minutes. Good reaction over here as well. We can, like, if we do enter the trade, we can go break even and also take a partial over here. Mhm. Yeah, this is Al. Uh, Nothing major. Okay, wait. Lost my attention over here. Okay, 9. I think this is a good order block formation on 1 minute as well. Uh, let's go on 30 seconds. A good tap. Okay, a good tap. Let's wait. Was it worth it to wait for this? Yep, it was worth it. So guys, a good call that we didn't enter the trade, um, because we knew that there were many lows over here on the whole leg way down. So on 15 minutes we saw that we were in premium, and it was really not going buys because we are already in premium. You don't want to buy, you don't want to long up in premiums, right? So it's a good call. We avoided that trade. More trades will be there for the day, so it's much better to just wait out on it and not to FOMO in the markets. um, let's go on. We are on 15. Let's go on 5 minutes. So basically, this inversion block got failed, and I think the next sweep on liquidity will be on this lows over here for 5 minutes. This can be a good liquidity sweep. Price can reverse, but definitely let's see what happens. I see some rejection over there on 1 minute. This one gets invalidated as well. So basically what happened was price tapped on the fair value gap and it just got rejected. Also the volatility of the open does affect this kind of plays, because there is liquidity sitting below this lows of the pre-market. So yeah, that's that. We are still in discounts on 1 minute and 2 minutes, but I think also in 5 minutes we are on discounts, but when we see a longer term focus, when we see on higher time frame like 15-minute one, which is mostly used for intraday, it's we are still on. Uh, we are still in the premium zone. We still need to sweep, lose, and then take a reversal from there. This is much better now, I would say. Okay, still sweeping. Are we in a macro? No, I don't think so. We are in a macro. Okay, we're approaching this 5 minute sweep over here. Also, order block. I think an order block sitting right over here. Oops, somewhere over here. I would rather wait for 2 minute FVG to form than going on 30 seconds. I think the lighting is very dull on this room. This is much better, I would say. It's too much for me now. Still, we are rejecting. We are below the order block, and this is the sweep area. Price should be reversing or can reverse from this area. So, okay, this one is swept. This is swept. Perfect sweep over here. If this after the sweep, if it gets tapped on this BC, it would be a great buy setup. It would be really nice. Yeah, it already tapped over here. Buy side. It's gone 1 minute. A good rejection from this FVG. Let's wait. There's no inversion, no FVG over here. Maybe if we can take this one, then this could be one, but as of now, I think we should wait. We are rejecting on 1 minute. Yep, we are. Okay. We are at 50 of the FEG. Okay. This is a falling knife today now because from the London session, it's just going down. It's really hard to catch a falling knife, especially these days. Yesterday it was opposite, like it was going up and up. You can't. estimate a reversal at any point of time. But yeah, okay, this FVG has been failed terribly. Okay, where are we now? We'll go on a 15-minute time frame over here because we have a lot to look for. Even on 15 minutes, we had this failed right now. I have my FVG imbalance turned on. This could act as an auto block, but nothing major. On 15 minutes, we are approaching the equilibrium, and we do have an BC over here, which is perfectly aligned to the equilibrium. I think that is a good zone to get in on a silver bullet. Let's see if market can reach till there. It may, it may not. Who knows? I'm just checking that if I'm audible or not because I've moved my mic to my t-shirt and sometimes it doesn't work. So always need to be alert. Okay, cool. Mm, what do we have? Okay, this is becoming a falling knife now. We had the results over here. Did we? It's on 10:30. No. No news. There's nothing. Then why is this rejecting so much? It shouldn't be rejecting at least right now. Let's wait. What we have over here is a falling knife, and there's not even a continuation play that we can work out. It's only just falling down, and there are no reversals. There are no continuation FEGs. It's just going straight down to the drain for God knows what reason. Because let's see if we have any news over here, something which are affecting, something which may affect it. We have this. This is for no EIA. Never used this one. Inflation rate at 2 o'clock for the UK. Other than that, we don't have anything. on the high impact category. Of all of this coming up, we didn't even had any earning report or any major news. I can't see that. Just zoned off. Okay, we are seeing some kind of rejection over here. Let's see. It shouldn't be a trap. Nothing on 15 minutes. Nothing obvious. On 5 minutes, nothing obvious, I would say. There's no light bulb moment over here. I would say we are more likely to go below this BC and then reject rather than rejecting on this random point in price. So this is just a continuation play that market is giving. This could be a trap or this could be a reversal. But if it does reverses, if this one does creates an IFVG, I think it won't be any major move. It will just go some force uh come back down because there's no proper break even point or anything that you can target over here. If this creates a swing low, we are basically making a break even point if the market wants to reverse on this inefficiency. So that one, it becomes a good break even point for us. Also, it can act as an auto block. Let's just wait on this. No SMT over here as well. Okay, so we have rejected this inversion. But as I told before, this one is nothing major. It's a random point in price. I would rather wait it out for this inefficiency to hit. Or if we go on 15, this is like a minor liquidity sweep over here. This can create a protected lows though, but it's not a good setup for me. It's like a C or maybe B plus setup, I would say. Yeah. So I won't be doing this. Although we can tape read this one, tape read this one. We'll wait for an order block to form. You can enter on an order block rejection or maybe a breaker block on 30 seconds. This one. But we don't have any SMTs over here. Oh, do we have it? Because just low. Yes. Nope, no SMT of that. Nope, nothing. So this could be a BC over here, and price is actually tapping that right now. And on 1 minute, okay. So we went into the breaker block, rejected the breaker block. We are actually rejecting the breaker block right now. We haven't rejected it completely, but we will reject it at some point in time. And once we get this high out, I think it's a good probability play. We need to wait for this one to get swept. Then we can look for inversion or the block to enter from there. But price is struggling though. Also, we have this inefficiency to be filled. 15-minute inefficiency that hasn't been filled yet. And this one again going down to drain. Yes, am I audible now? Yes, am I audible now? Yes, am I audible now? My bad, my mic just died off on me. I need to buy a charger for this one. So there are no major plays on this right now because we have been falling quite sharply over here, but eventually I think we will make up after we hit this kind this hourly, I would say, hourly liquidity of this low and previous week lows as well. And right now there are no major plays over here, so it's just to wait games going on right now. Still rejecting the last fair value gap. It's not even a FVG now. 30 seconds it might be. 30 seconds it is, but it's too much consolidation. No major reaction. No major quick instantaneous reactions. So yeah, that is that. I think I'll end the stream over here because there's nothing major that we are targeting right now, and it's just falling off from here. We are creating this lows, but eventually those lows are getting out, and we are creating new lows and new lower lows. So I think that's it for today. I think that we took an L today, and that's all that we had. No other plays that we took because of trendy markets. No major sweeps. There's an auto block over here though. There is an auto block. I think that's it. It's reacting the unique created FVG as well. I think there's no inversion play let's just wait for this 15 minutes. Tiny fair value gap. We might take that out as well. Feel like it is swept already. So we have Wall Street falls ahead of Nvidia earnings. 10:20. Nvidia earnings. Oh, Investor assesses Russia Ukraine risks. It's dropped on Wednesday as AI giant Nvidia lost ground ahead of quarterly results. Oh, because of Nvidia, we are dumping right now. Scheduled to report results after bell and its shares were down 1.2%, reversing modest pre-market gains. This index has aggregated dropped and information technology sector. Okay. So this might have created this down. Um, it, it should be fundamental because um, if price is not reversing and it's straight down, there's a strong fundamental news holding the price down. So that is that. We are we rejecting the think we are rejecting over here a little bit. If we go to 30 seconds, we've actually created this FVG. Maybe if we can get a good reaction over here, we'll try this long, and this will be the last play for today. If it fails, it fails. If it works out, it works out. Doesn't matter. Oh my god, it should be 200. Let's wait. If this consolidates in this fair value gap, I won't be entering it. This becomes a low probability setup. Okay, let's wait for this to close. Okay. Finally, we are in this play. I'll be going break even over here. BE. This is the lowest point that I can, highest point I can go to BE, and then sky is the limit. I think I'll be trying to capture this area over here. Okay, a good projection over there. You can average out over here. A good order block entry as well, which has been formed. I think I'll be moving my stop loss below this area, somewhere over here, and let's just wait to get break even out over here. So essentially nothing much over here. It's like $150, and we'll soon be going break even as well. Maybe I don't go break even, but I'll do half of the risk over here, because I do think that this can act up as order block. Oops. This can act up as an order block over here. Again, a strong rejection. This could be a, what you can say. It could be a, before we go any further long. So yeah. Probably cut half of my risk over here. I think I should have kept somewhere over here. This can act as a cushion for price to reverse. Definitely will be going break even after we hit that high. Doesn't matter afterward if we get out at break even as well. It can be a lower setup over here. The most I've gotten out of I've never gotten a dog pack. I got, yeah, this is like this the second. I use these two. Yeah, actually with one of the strong. It's so strong. It's so easy. It's so strong. It's hard. Oh, I didn't go for that. Yes. Oh, I got the I think I actually have it. Okay, so we are in this trade where we have swept a long-term lows, and which are basically 15-minute. We have, so in this play we have swept the long-term lows over here, created some imbalance, and also we have been dumping for a while from the market open, and that's why I have decided to go in for the longs from 30 seconds. As you can see, we have a V-shaped recovery formed over here. We have inversed fair value gap, inversed FVGs. If we go on 30 seconds, we inverse this block over here. It's working as a rejection block. We'll be going to break even as soon as we hit this point over here, and I think this is a good break even point. Price react on this. It's 10 and 30. Right now, it's a good reversal area. We don't have any SMTs forming over here though. But it looks like a good setup to me, and that's why I've tried it. Let's just wait. Okay, we took the auto block inversion over here very precisely. Okay, let's go break even. We are break even over here. We'll take we'll take a partial of 2 maybe over here.
Right now, you technically don't have. Although realistically, what can you trade it and then you can't recap? Maybe you can't recap.
So we are break even at this point. Okay. One of our partials has been taken. I would like to clean one more over here. Although I won't be moving my I won't be trailing my profits right now. We'll trail it once we go about this. So now I think I'll move my I'll trail my profits still here. Against the trend, I don't want to risk it too much. I don't want to push it. So even after getting out with one at this point, we will be up a little bit. Lost 90 over here.
Anyway, that was my attempt at, hunting for
We are rejecting once again. It doesn't matter wherever it goes. I've already taken one of our partials of like, I think it was how many quantity? Three. I was with five. I partialed out for two. I have one more limit over here. I think I'll go. I will be able to catch this as well. Price is just returning to the order block right now. I think it might reject from here. This can give a good tap. Also, if you want, you can enter over here. It's a good place to enter. Give this over here. Okay. Enough breathing room, I would say. We have already partialed out. We already didn't break even. Even if this place doesn't work out, it doesn't matter. But it's a good play. I haven't pressed much on this play. We can average pin for like $100 over here.
I didn't, I was, if it was like made of cotton, like either way, I would have expected it to be more like a solid rock, but like it's still a big tree. Yeah, solid rock.
Okay, so now I'll get out with 3 over here.
Why? Why do you keep bringing it up? So you're gonna just order all of
This is a perfect order block entry over here. Really good. Really like it. Even if you have entered here, you can go break even right now as well. Over here actually. Not right now. You can go break even over here for our second uh, average in. Again, quickly I'll move it to break even. So we are at no risk right now. We are making good money. Okay, you will be break even right now. You should be break even right now. And our third partial, our second partial, which should be in any moment. It's just a question of when. Okay, okay, yep, here we go. I'll move my trailing over here, and my final target will be this order block. Perfect re-entry, perfect averaging over here. So we secured another 112. So we are break even on the day basically right now. And if I close this position at any point, this will be profits for us. Okay, we are at this 50%. We can reject at the 50% over here of this fair value gap. So I think I will be taking a partial over here. another one over here, and 50% off the fair value gap. Oops, my bad. So that is a good one. It's good that we came out of that. I'll trail my profits till this order block, and I really don't want to see this reject anymore. I just want it to go straight up, but it doesn't matter what I want. It will do what it wants. Tracks us out. 132nd, it's inside this order block rejection. Really like this play that we took over here. Really precise. And now the price is creating FVGs, and it's basically respecting those FVGs really well. So this is the main IFVG that we entered on. Perfect entry. Retest over here once again, and after that, after rejection once again, gave us re-entry with this order block, and it's really going good right now. We took like two partials. First partial being the high of this. I think it should be the. I think I took it from 1 minute or something. I took it over here somewhere. Yeah, I took it. I think on the low of this order block. So first partial over here, second partial on this, uh, on the high of the order block, and the third partial on the 50% of this FVG. So we will still have two runners going on, and I think I'll be holding those runners. It can either stop me out at my trailing profits or can hit the target over here. So it's a wait game now once again. Let's wait for this play to play out. It can reject over here and once again dump because of the news. It's not sure. Will do the needful. Okay, good rejection. Let's see how it closes. Okay, good rejection. Good doji on 30 seconds. It's telling us that it wants to go, it wants to move further ahead on the bull side. No SMT over here on ES. Today both of them are correlated really well. This can act as a cushion. Okay, perfect. Good momentum towards the upside. We just need to inverse this, and then we can move further. I think I'll take one. This will be my final, and I'll take one off on this order block. Sell one limit, and this will be the final target for this play. Is anyone watching live? can comment if you took this trade. Really appreciate it. I hope that my voice is audible now. I think this was a really good play.